I'm Andreas Hoffmann from Inzersdorf in Upper Austria, and I run an organic farm there, together with several others. We produce grain here, mainly for our farm bakery. We also still fatten pigs with the various waste and feed grains from our crop rotation. And we additionally rear 50 to 70 goats annually. We market all our products directly, and we cultivate around 20 hectares of arable land for our direct sales. Due to the size of our farm, we have to manage a lot on our own. We therefore take care of all repairs and modifications ourselves in order to adapt to individual conditions out on the land or processing activities. We had to modify this front packer roller and adapt the working width to match the other agricultural machines. We were not happy with the way it worked before either. We wanted to change it.
Andreas is the farmer. He pretty much knows how the rollers should work. That's why he was instrumental in planning the whole thing. I'm a trained machine fitter, and we've set up a small metalworking shop here where we build, modify, and repair a wide variety of equipment for Andy.
Until now, we have been able to carry out these modifications with a 20-year-old Fronius Variostar. But we have now decided to use a Fronius TransSteel with pulse function. That was important because it allows us to work with a much wider range of sheet metal thicknesses. For example, during this modification project, we worked with sheet metal up to 30 millimeters thick. This would have pushed the Variostar to its limit.
When modifying this roller, we were confronted with material at least 5 millimeters thick in the bottom area. This means we are partly in the intermediate arc range here, where a lot of welding spatter usually occurs, which takes a great deal of time and effort to remove later on. With the pulse function, we save ourselves this work, and outstanding weld seams are produced.
Because I'm a farmer and not a professional metalworker or welder, I benefit greatly from the process characteristics of the TransSteel, which provide ideal support. They enable us, even with little practice, to achieve highly professional results.